What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today I wanted to review my fish tank. So this is the Hygger Horizon 8-gallon starter kit fish tank that I purchased from Amazon. The link will be in the description below. It's for $130. So it's pretty good price. I do believe 8 gallons is small, but I think it's fine for a starter kit. It comes with the fish tank itself, that back rock piece. It's like a foam piece. It's installed automatically. You don't have to actually do anything. It comes with this LED light that you see on top that is interchangeable with different light schemes that you see here. You can also kind of like change the light settings if you'd like, and there's like also a timer. So this is how it looks like, just kind of showing it from here. It did come with a heater and a thermostat. Their thermostat kind of sucked, so I kind of put that away. I put in my own one. I'll kind of show you, make a separate video on that. It did not come with the air pump. I put that myself as well. Again, we'll make a separate video on that. And again, it didn't come with that substrate and the gravel and the rocks below that you see as well. That was, again, all done by myself. So, and it comes with the water filtration kit. I actually put in a different one because I didn't like the one it came with. It was just like a personal preference. But this is the one it actually comes with. So let me actually pull it up. Actually kind of fell apart. But this is the one that it comes with. So you can see it's essentially this one. I forgot what the name for it is, but it comes with the thing. You have like your whole kit. You put it in. It does the thing. It's a sponge filter. I believe that's what this is called. That's why I didn't personally like this one. And it's essentially a waterfall type one. So I don't know where the stick went. I don't even know where oh, it's right here. So you essentially kind of put it next to that, and waterfall happens from it. You can change it interchangeably, and you can have it in the direction you want. So you can kind of take this off and just have it from here, or you can have the whole thing. It kind of waterfalls onto the rocks. It actually looks very good, but again, I personally just didn't like it because of the sponge filter, that I couldn't really do much with it. So yeah, I kind of got rid of it. I've changed it up a few times. I had like a couple of fishes in there, moved them away for now. But yeah, you can kind of interchange it. Right now I have like a few little shrimps in here. You probably won't see them. They're very tiny. But overall, it's been a cool, I want to say like, fish tank. It actually gets the job done. It's been so far pretty good. I'm actually very impressed on like how it does it. I do want to kind of show like on the top, it does rust fast, so just going to give you an FYI there. So as you can see, like because of the air bubbles, the water kind of drips on top, and the LED light has started to rust. So you can kind of see that. I have to kind of clean it up as well because again, the water does drip, and because of that, like it comes to the outside. But overall, I do like it. This is the other filter that I have right now. Again, I will make another video on that filter as well. But overall, very cool. I would highly recommend it. For the price, it's pretty good. No stand, nothing it comes with. You got to buy it on your own. I purchased my own stand. I'll probably make another video on that one as well to give you like a review how well it is. But I think it's a good starter kit. It gets the job done. It's 8 gallons, so you can only put like technically 8 fishes in there depending on the size they have. I had about 3-4 fishes in there. They did pretty good. I kind of moved them into a bigger fish tank that I have, but for now, I want to think of something else to put in here. I'm not sure yet. That's why I just left the shrimps in here, and there might be like a snail or two in here somewhere as well. But yeah, I want to kind of make a video on this fish tank, give you guys a perspective if you should buy it or not. I think you highly recommend get it. You guys should get this. Pretty good. I overall do like it. It's a good starter kit, but it's something to kind of like, you'll probably eventually have to move on to that and go to a bigger one to kind of do other things to it. It is pretty small. You're very limited because of the rock size, kind of because of how much it comes out. So it kind of does restrict that movements for the fishes as well. Like they'll mostly be like hiding under, so it's even hard to see. And you can't really put, I like had rocks in here, trees, stumps, and wood drifts, I should say, in here as well. And it kind of like made it very congested. So just an FYI on that as well. And I had some like plants over here, kind of like, it wasn't working well. It got a little too congested. That's why I said I moved to a bigger fish tank. But yeah, would highly recommend you guys still, regardless, getting it as a starter kit. You can always put like moss or something to like cover up the rock in the back. You could put plants like a little on the side and let the fish roam over here. But overall, would highly recommend it. But yeah, if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, let me know in the comment section. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. On that, Simple Product Reviews out. Peace.